Is your Jeep Gladiator's 2020-2024 key fob not working reliably? A weak or dead battery is the most common culprit. This video will guide you through a quick and easy DIY battery replacement, saving you time and money compared to a dealership visit. Replacing the battery yourself is easy and takes only 2 to 5 minutes, ensuring you're back on the road with a functioning remote in no time. Your Jeep Gladiator key fob requires a specific battery type called CR2032. This is a 3-volt lithium coin cell battery that's crucial for proper function. The CR2032 has precise dimensions, 20 millimeters in diameter and 3.2 millimeters thick. These measurements ensure it fits perfectly in the fob. Here's what a CR2032 battery looks like. Notice the metallic silver appearance and the labeling on the top. This battery type is widely available at auto parts stores and online retailers like Amazon, making replacement easy and affordable. The CR2032 provides reliable power for all key fob functions, giving you a signal range of approximately 20 to 50 feet for lock and unlock operations. You'll only need a few simple tools for this key fob battery replacement. A small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool will help gently open the key fob seam without scratching or damaging the plastic casing. A guitar pick can also work effectively as an alternative prying tool. Plastic opening tools are another good option for this task. No specialized tools are required, making this a beginner-friendly task. First, locate the seam on your key fob, typically found between the front and back halves. If your fob has a physical key blade, detach it first. Carefully insert your flathead screwdriver or pry tool into the seam and gently twist to pry the fob open. Avoid applying excessive force to prevent damage to the casing. Work slowly and methodically around the perimeter of the fob until it separates. With the key fob casing open, you'll see the old CR2032 battery seated in its compartment. Before touching anything, take a moment to note the battery's orientation. The positive side of the battery, marked with a plus sign or flat surface, typically faces upward in the fob. This correct polarity is crucial for the electronics to function properly. Carefully remove the old battery using your fingers or a non-conductive tool. Then, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it with the same orientation, positive side up. Always double-check the polarity before snapping the fob closed. If you insert the battery backwards, it can permanently damage the fob circuit board and render it unusable. With the new battery in place, carefully snap the key fob back together. Listen for a click to ensure the casing is securely closed on all sides. Now test the key fob's functions, lock, unlock, and the panic button. Test from 20 to 50 feet away for proper range. If the fob doesn't work after testing, double-check the battery orientation and ensure it's properly seated in the compartment. If your key fob still isn't working after replacing the battery, first ensure the battery is new and not expired. Expired batteries can cause signal degradation and failure. Also, verify that the battery is making good contact with the terminals inside the fob. Poor contact can prevent the fob from functioning properly. After replacement, test all functions like lock and unlock. If it doesn't work, try reprogramming by cycling the vehicle's ignition key. Avoid common mistakes such as using the wrong battery type. Only CR2032 is compatible. Do not apply too much force when opening the fob to avoid damage. Ensure correct polarity and handle the fob gently. Current trends in the Jeep Gladiator include smartphone app connectivity through Uconnect 5, which reduces reliance on physical key fobs by allowing remote vehicle access and key sharing. Looking ahead to 2030, the future of vehicle access points to wireless charging embedded in key fobs and fully keyless entry using biometric systems, potentially eliminating the need for manual battery replacements altogether. You've successfully replaced your Jeep Gladiator key fob battery. By following these steps, you've saved time and money while keeping your vehicle secure and functional. Remember to dispose of the old battery properly. Keep enjoying the freedom of your Jeep.